fit for dermoscopy. So in this chapter we talk about very rare malignant skin lesions, just to have seen some, very few. And we know my diagnostic eye, perhaps it is also helpful for you. And now we talk about these 3 rare tumor, and there are some more rare tumor, but I will only focus on this one. Yeah, so a young lady, 21 years old, entered the office with this nodular, firm, red, whitish, exophytic skin tumor. Yeah? And a biopsy has been taken outside, but she's now coming without the result and asking me, what is it? Yeah? So when you look on this lesion, what does it do? Very distinctly net-like vessels, perhaps homogeneous red, white areas, whitish. Is this keratin-producing tumor? Yeah, I don't know. I need to do something. I need to do surgery with histopathology. And this was the result: Dermatofibrosarcoma, protuberans, DFSP. When you have seen some of these, you recognize this again and again, but for me there's no specific pattern. This is only the management decision. I need to do something. Yeah. Also in this lesion, 75-year-old, this man, rapid growing exophytic reddish tumor with, wow, what are these vessels? Polymorphous vessels, not tree-like vessels for the BCC, rapid growing reddish tumor. We must do something, yeah. And this is a nice example for Merkel cell carcinoma, MC, yeah. Also for me, not a specific pattern, but I need to do something. And also in this case, 52-year-old lady with these reddish spots. And the history, this was a hint for me to do something, yeah. She's coming from South Italy, and also the mother, uncle, and brother, they have the same lesions. Yeah, so there's something genetically, and I need to do something. I need to do surgery with histopathology to confirm what kind of diagnosis I think. And here are different types of these lesions in this lady in different stages. Yeah, and these are homogeneous reddish purple areas, or a little bit like rainbow pattern. Academic word, rainbow pattern. And now you know the diagnosis of the endemic Kaposi sarcoma. Always excludes the HIV infection, but with this history and blood tests, yeah, it has been confirmed. So with these 3 examples, I want to focus you on the management decision. I don't know what this is, so I need to do something, yeah. But on the other hand, and this is important, yeah, when we say it is benign, we must name the benign diagnosis for the patients. And therefore, I invite you to follow me into the universe of benign non-melanocytic lesions in the next episode. So hope to see you soon. Bye bye.